As a crypto trader, you can literally copy and paste this tip and make up to $3,000 every single month. And the good thing about this trick is you don't need any experience. You can start with $0 and you don't even have to invest on anything. So this channel here, Trade IQ, make up to 4K per month, and that's from ads only, but they probably make much more than that with affiliate leads and so on. All he do is record his screen teaching tips and trading strategies, and with this he managed to get insane views every single day. 39,000 views, 37,000, 53,000 views. So we're gonna create similar contents but in short format. To do that, you head into canva.com. It will look something like this. From here, you need to click the sign up button. Now after setting up your account, it will take you to the homepage. Now you head on to the search bar and type YouTube Shorts and hit the search. Next, you click on the Create Blank YouTube Shorts. It will load you into the editing page where you are going to create and edit your short video. Now you click on the Uploads and upload your screen recording. Make some adjustments and make it fit in. After finishing your video, click on Share and download your file. So now we need to find some affiliate offers to promote in our YouTube short description. To do that, we head on to warriorplus.com. Set up an account. After finishing setting up an account, you can find so many features in this platform, but since we are here to promote an offer, we are going to go to affiliates, offers. Now we wait for the page to load up. After the page completes loading up, click on the offer title/keyword. Type crypto and search. Scroll down and select any crypto related offers you like. Now you can see this offer can pay you $38 for every person that buys from your link. Go on and request approval. Once you are approved, press Get Link and copy the link. Go back into your YouTube short description and paste the link. Now you see the essence of this is short videos didn't count for watch time hours on YouTube. But with this affiliate link in the description, it will generate more traffic for you and help you make more sales. You can make hundreds, thousands of sales with crypto offers on YouTube. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and smash the notification bell for more content.